to attend this seminar, and after that we can start. Since you are waiting for 2-3 more minutes, then you can just see a video, and after that we can start.
We will charge it.
This year, our coding and robotics summer camps are free. Sandeep, you have applied for 50K education loan. May I know why?
I want my children to attend summer camps for coding and electronics.
How old are they?
Hira is 6. I want her to learn coding. Rohan is 10. I want him to learn electronics.
Haven't you heard of BDS Education?
No, sir.
They offer courses in coding, robotics, STEM, electronics, Arduino, and more.
Wow.
Courses are interactive and project based. Each course has 8 lessons. Each lesson is 1 hour duration.
That's a lot of learning per course.
There is no tuition fee. Courses are absolutely free.
You must be joking. Or they must be teaching through sprites.
No, teaching is based on world-class devices and a common software. You start coding in Scratch, then migrate to Python and Arduino C. What you buy for a 6-year-old will keep teaching him till he leaves school.
That's called investment protection.
Instructor demonstrates on his device. Children follow on there. Instructor takes control if they get stuck. Not to forget, access to content library, unlimited support, quiz, and homework.
They are redefining coaching. Who are these guys?
They are senior armed forces veterans, dedicated to continue serving the nation. Hold on, hold on. Where are you running?
To register before the seats run out.
I had heard of Ripley's. This is another. Visit bdseducation.in.
So guys, I think it's good time to start. So welcome to this small seminar of product description of BDS Education. So during the course of next 20 minutes and so, I will be explaining you about few of our products. Description of all our products are there in our website. So at the end of the seminar, you will be provided the link of our website so that you can visit to the website and come to know about all our products. And yes, during this presentation, we will keep you all on mute. So if you want to say something and give suggestions, if any, then you can just raise your hand and then you can ask. I know everyone is aware about this, but still if someone is don't know that how to raise hand, for those guys, I'm just explaining that you can just scroll your mouse and there you will get one option of reactions. Then in that reaction, you will get 2 emojis of like thumbs up and raising hand. So from there, you can do that. I hope this is clear to you. So guys, if I am audible and visible to you, you can just give me a thumbs up. Actually, I will be very much excited if I will see more thumbs up on my screen. So here I get 1 thumbs up. Guys, I'm waiting for the thumbs up. Great. And here I'm seeing a few thumbs ups are coming on my screen. That means you want me to start. Okay. So without wasting much of our time, I would like to start. We are having different products for different age group. Actually, it starts from the age group of 4. That means that age group, when the child is still in his learning phase, that means he don't know how to read and write. So we are having product for those childs also. So let me show you. And it goes up to college students. So here we are having one of the interesting and wonderful products which we are having. The name of this product is M-Tiny Coding Kit. This is designed for the age group of 4. This is the box. I will show you. Here is the robo. It comes with this remote controller, this robo, and a few coding cards, instructions cards. Basically, we are having hundreds of instructions card which is in this box. But I have just taken few of this just to explain you. So one question may comes in your mind that if a child is not able to read English and not able to understand English, then how he is going to code this robo? How he is going to code M-Tiny? So for that, actually, you will be surprised to know, because every child is a born creator. Every child is a born coder. Like he knows that if I will cry, then my mother will give me the milk. That means he knows that if I will do this, then this is going to happen. And using this if this and then statement is a conditional statement which we are using in our programming language. So a child is using this conditional statements from his starting age only. So I will just want to show you how you can teach this product to your child. Like this is the robo, and for teaching this product to your child, all you have to say is just explain like these all are the coding cards. So this is the tap controller. So you have to tap it here, then this robo will show that action. That means if you will tap here, then this robo will show actions. And for that, I will just show you how to do that. Let me turn it on. Here you can see when I am turning it on, then how sweetly he is saying hi. Okay, here I am having one instruction card. Here you can see in this instruction card, a straight line is there. So you have to tell your child, if you will tap this tap controller here, then this robo will go into a straight line. Again, I am having other instruction cards like turning left side and turning right side. So for that, again, you have to teach your child like, if you will do this, then this will go right side. If you will tap here, then this will go right side. And we are having hundreds of instruction cards here. Not only this like motion, we are having smile, we are having emotions for this robo also. Like these all are the emotion cards. So you can see the smiling emotion of this robo by tapping it here. Other emotions which we are having of angry emotion, sorry, weeping emotions. Again, we are having a lot of emotion cards in this box, and this comes with some story cards also. So your child is going to create some stories with the help of mTiny, and he's going to show it to you. Now, actually, with this product, you are just boosting, you are just developing the creative and logical thinking of your child at the age of 4. So this is for that. Now, moving forward for other age groups, I will just let me keep it here. Yeah, coming forward for other age groups, we are having other product. Yes, this is also so wonderful product, and the name of this product is Kodi-Rocky. This is designed for the age group of 6. So this is the box, and here we are having the product. Just a second. Yeah. So this is the box, and this is the product. It comes in 2 parts. Like this is Kodi, this is Rocky, and together they form Kodi-Rocky. Actually, it is a pre-assembled robot which is capable of doing a lot of things. Like it starts with AI, and it goes up to it starts with coding, and it goes up to AI and IoT as per you program it. You can see how smooth it, how cute it is. It is cute little robo. With the help of this robo, you can teach your child that how to code a robot, how to create games, how to create animations. You can teach mathematics with the help of Kodi-Rocky to your child. You can teach basics of artificial intelligence, basics of Internet of Things. I will not go much deep inside it because it is covered in our free coding course. Yes, it is covered in our free coding course, which is 8 hours of in which we are having 8 modules, and that is a 16-day package. That is a complimentary from our side. That is complimentary from BDS education side at the time of purchase. Now, what things this Kodi-Rocky can do? Just to give you the idea that what projects you can make with Kodi-Rocky, I will show you a small, very small demonstration in which I had programmed Kodi-Rocky just to start moving, and if something comes in front in his path, then to change its path. That means Kodi-Rocky will change its path if something comes in his path. That means Kodi-Rocky is avoiding the obstacles. So let us see. Here I am having a Kodi-Rocky. Here I am having mTiny. Then let us see whether Kodi-Rocky is avoiding obstacles or not. So here is the button of Kodi-Rocky which I am powering on. And here we are having 3 buttons. You can program all these 3 buttons separately. So I had programmed, like when I will press the button for one of the button of Kodi-Rocky, then it will start moving, and once it starts, it will start avoiding the obstacles. So let us see whether this is following my instructions or not. Let me keep here. Oh, great. You can see how it is avoiding the obstacles. It is also avoiding my hand. Again, I am keeping mTiny in front of Kodi-Rocky. So you can see how Cody Rocky is avoiding the obstacles. Actually, it is a very basic project. One of the very simple project which I had programmed, which I had shown you here. I had programmed only one sensor of Cody Rocky. But yes, you can program multiple sensors of Cody Rocky, and you can create different. You can create similar projects, not like similar projects. You can create much more advanced projects with Cody Rocky. Now, for those who are looking for the tech specs of Cody Rocky, I will show you a slide in which you will be able to know, you will be able to see all the sensors which comes with Cody Rocky. Yes, here is the slide. You can see Cody Rocky comes with IR transmitter, receiver, 6-axis gyroscope, LED display, speakers, and on. So all these sensors comes with this Cody Rocky, this product. You can have a look on all of these sensors. Fine. To enhance the capabilities of Cody Rocky, we are having neuron blocks. Actually, neuron blocks are the set of 30 plus electronic sensors, electronic modules, which comes in this box. Okay, and it is easily compatible with Cody Rocky. So to enhance the capabilities of Cody Rocky, actually it is itself a complete package. It is a lot of things which can Cody Rocky can do alone. But yes, if you want to make something more, then we are having add-on sensors for Cody Rocky, that is neuron blocks. I will show you one of the add-on sensor, like this is the add-on sensor of Cody Rocky, which we used to say as a neuron block. You can see this is the LED strip. So either you can program these neuron blocks separately, or you can program these neuron blocks with Cody Rocky. This is separately available on our website. So I will show you how easily you can connect this to Cody Rocky. So you can see this is a neuron block here in Cody Rocky. We are having pogo pin connectors at the back side of Cody Rocky. So all you have to bring these neuron blocks here, and it will get attached. Here you can see once it gets attached, all these lights are lightened up. So you can attach 8 neuron blocks at a time, one after another. Now this is fine, but the question is this, again one question may strike in your mind, that how to code this robo, how to code Cody Rocky, is your child is able to code Cody Rocky or not? So for that we are having a freely downloadable software. The name of that software is Scratch 3.0. Okay, and this software is a drag and drop block based virtual programming language. So I will just show you the small video that how to code Cody Rocky. That yeah, just after showing that video, I will explain you more about that software.
Go to the event, choose the event first, drag it and drop it, and go to the action block. Choose the action, move forward. On right, drag and drop, and move backward, and upload this code.
लीव हो गया tap to manage permission.
So guys, in this video you have seen that how to code Cody Rocky. All you have to do, you have to select statements from the left side of your screen, drag it and drop it to the right side of the screen, and after that you have to upload that code to the brain of Cody Rocky, and after that you can see the action, the instructions which you had given to Cody Rocky, how Cody Rocky is following those instructions. And this software basically all the products which I will be showing you today. So you can program all these products with the help of the same software. Name of the software is MBlock 5. Just to program and code Cody Rocky in this from this software, all you need to know is that your child must be able to read English language. And I think since this product is for age group of 6+, at this age every child is able to read English. Okay. So let me keep it here. Now coming to other age groups, that is for the age group of 8. So for that we are having other product. Here is the product, name of the product is MBot Robotic Kit. This is designed for the age group of 8. And at this age, actually at this age children has grown up to create his first robot, that is to make his first creation. So this is not a pre-assembled robot. This is a robotic kit, and your child is going to assemble it. This can be his first this can be his first creation, that is first robot. So with the help of this product, he can feel the excitement of creating a robot. With the help of this product, you can make interest of robotics in your child. So this is the box, and this is the product. Once you assemble it, it will look like this. Fine. Now, what things you can teach your child with MBOT? What is he going to learn? Actually, in some car factories, you have seen robots are used to deliver components from one place to another place. Or in some restaurants, robots are working as like a waiter. Like these are robots are serving food to their customers. So had you ever think that how these robots are working? What is the principle behind all those robots? Actually, the answer is this: the principle behind that is the path of all those robots are already decided, and those robots are just following that path. And you can define the path for MBOT also. So the principle which is behind those robots is exactly same what we are going to do with MBOT. We are going to define path for MBOT, and MBOT is going to follow the code which those robots are working. You have to upload the same code to this MBOT so that it can start following a line. That means it can start following the path you have decided. So here I will show you a small demo. Like this is the track which I had prepared for MBOT, and I had programmed MBOT to follow this black line. And this black line is in a shape of 8. Here you can see. So it is not limited that MBOT will follow only this 8, like this path. You can just make a path of a black color, black tape from your room to your child's room, and you can program MBOT to follow that path. Then your MBOT will start from your room, and it will just go to your child's room and stop there. So let me show you how it is working. For that, I need to turn it on. And this is the remote, IR remote, which is also a part of this box. That means the box for MBOT. This comes in this box only, this IR remote. And you can program all the buttons of this IR remote. So I had programmed one of the button of IR remote. Like when I will press a button C, a few buttons are there. So if I will press this button C, then it will start following this path. Let us see how it is doing that. I am pressing the button. Oh, here you can see how MBOT is following the path. This black line. This black line can be anything. So let me get it stopped. I'll program it like when I will press other button, then it will get stopped. I will control this with this remote also, like forward, backward, left, right, other things. Like in our other like last product, I had shown you that Cody Rocky was avoiding obstacles. So whether this MBOT is able to do this or not. MBOT is also able to avoid obstacles. For that, I had programmed other button of MBOT, sorry, IR remote. Let us see how this is avoiding the obstacles. I am pressing the button. Here you can see it is avoiding the obstacles. Let me get it stopped. Now you can see MBOT has stopped because I had pressed the button. So again, this is the very simple project which I had programmed for MBOT. I had programmed only few sensors of MBOT, but yes, you are most welcome to program multiple sensors of MBOT and make different projects. Now again, guys who are looking for the tech specs of MBOT, that what sensors MBOT is having, I would like to show you a small slide in which you will be able to see different sensors which comes with MBOT. You can have a look on this. All these sensors comes with MBOT. Actually, the heart of MBOT is a Arduino Uno board. It is like a motherboard of a computer. Like it is having the processing speed and the memory. And to code this Arduino board, you can use the same software which we were using for Cody Rocky. I had shown you earlier how to code Cody Rocky. The same concept and the same software you can use for to code MBOT. Now, to create a robot, what you require, all you need is some electronic components like programmable electronic sensors, mechanical parts, and motors to create a robot or change the shape of a robot. So we are having 6 add-on packs for MBOT, and all these 6 add-on packs contains all these things. I will show you here. I'm having one add-on pack. Similarly, we are having 6 add-on packs for MBOT. It is one of the add-on pack. So it is having all these sensors. Let me show you. It is having all these sensors like these mechanical parts, these electronic sensors. Actually, it is packed. This again DC motor we are having, and a fan. Here's some other mechanical parts are there. So it is just one of the add-on pack which I am showing you. But yes, we are having 6 add-on packs, and with the help of these add-on packs, you can change the shape of MBOT. You can make different types of robots. I will show you with this this box. That means this add-on pack. Name of this add-on pack is Perception Gizmo. So you can make these type of robots. In the box, you can see in this box. Here some shapes of robots are there. So you can make all these shapes of robot with this add-on pack and MBOT. I will show you one yeah, this robot is nothing but the add-on pack of add-on pack and the MBOT. You can see this is also MBOT, but with add-on pack you can change the shape of MBOT. It is one of the shape, but yes, you can make different shapes of robot with these add-on packs. Actually, if a child is having these add-on packs and MBOT, then it is actually depends on the creativity level of a child at what he wants to make. This will become limited only after his thinking level. So let me keep this also. This is the manual, so that with the help of this manual you can create all these forms of robot. Okay, let me keep this also. Now coming to the other age group, that is the age group of 10 plus. For that we are having other product, and for this age group your child has become smart enough to create gadgets like a pedometer to track the step trackers, like how many steps at the time when you are running, then a gadget which can measure the steps of when you are running or walking, gadgets which can control the appliances, home appliances, gadgets which can be the controller of your games which you are playing. So these type of gadgets you can make with this box, this product. The name of this product is HelloCode Standard Kit. This is the box. I will show you. Here is the product, and you can see how small this product is. Actually, this product is small enough that it gets fit on my hand. Yes, this is the same product which I am wearing on my hand. All these things is a part of this box. Either this battery holder, battery, or Velcro strap, or HelloCode. Everything comes inside this box. It is small enough that every child used to keep this product in his pocket. That's why we had also given a name of like a pocket coder, which every child should have. Your child also. So this is a HelloCode. Now you have seen gadgets like Google Assistant or Alexa. Like you say, Alexa, switch on the TV. Alexa, switch off the TV, or switch on the AC. When Alexa is doing that, have you ever think that how Alexa is doing that? Actually, it is based on artificial intelligence. So you can make a AI gadget with this small product, HelloCode. And I will show you one AI gadget which I had programmed, HelloCode, which I had made with this HelloCode. Like these all are the lights, LED lights of present on this HelloCode. And I will control these lights with my voice. Since it is an AI based project, so I have to program the Wi-Fi module of HelloCode. So let me power on the battery. Here I am having a switch. So I am turning the switch on. And I had programmed like when the Wi-Fi module of HelloCode gets connected to a Wi-Fi network. This time the Wi-Fi network is my cell phone's hotspot. Then all the lights will be light up, or all the lights of HelloCode will be light up. So here you can see all the lights of HelloCode is already lighting up. That means it is indicating me that yes, I am connected to a Wi-Fi network. So I had programmed this device, like when I will say red or any color, like red, green, blue, white, brown, any color, then the lights of this HelloCode will change to that color. For that, I need to say the name of the colors, and for that I need to bring this near to my mouth, so that it can detect these colors, the pronunciation very clearly. So let me do that. Red. Here you can see all the lights has been lightened to the red color. I had programmed just for 3 seconds, it will lighten up, and after that it will turned off. So let us check some other colors. Blue. Here you can see it is lighting up to blue color. Let us try one more. White. Here you can see. So this is just again a very simple project which I had make with Hello Code. But yes, you can make some other projects also. You can program multiple sensors at a time and make different projects. Again, coming back, if someone is looking for the tech specs of Hello Code, I would like to show you a slide in which you will be able to see different sensors which comes with Hello Code. Yes, so on your screen, you can see all the sensors which comes with Hello Code. So not only this, we are also having external sensors for Hello Code. I will show you. You can have a look on the screen. After that, I will show you. Okay, fine. So here you can see these all are the external sensors of Hello Code. So all these sensors is compatible with this small device, Hello Code, and you can program all these sensors and Hello Code together. You can make different gadgets by programming these sensors. I will not explain you more about these sensors and Hello Code, but yes, just to give you the idea, I would like to show you a small video which will clear all your doubts that which gadgets you can make with Hello Code. So here you can see a small video.
This is our Make Block Halo code, designed especially for the current coding education. It is a wireless single board computer. We just embedded 12 programmable RGB LEDs, a motion sensor, or touch sensor, a programmable microphone, a micro USB, outstanding, a dual core, a Wi-Fi module, etc., onto an incredibly small circuit board. No, smaller. No, smaller than that. Yes, that's small. So you can learn to code with it anywhere, anytime. Starting with MBlock, everyone can code by just dragging and dropping the command blocks. It's as simple as stacking building bricks. By featuring a microphone module, you can also use Halo Code to perform AI speech recognition. Through MBlock's integrated Google machine learning application, getting started on artificial intelligence is very easy. First, you teach MBlock to recognize different objects, and then program specific reactions made by Halo Code accordingly. Without connecting to the internet, you can make use of multiple Halo codes to set up a local area network. Or by connecting your Halo Code to Wi-Fi, you can further apply cutting-edge technologies like IoT to create simple and smart home devices. Thanks to the outstandingly performing RAM and the dual-core microprocessor, Halo Code is powerful enough to run several programs simultaneously. With 2 short programs in MBlock, you can, for example, create an art installation of a kitten that blinks and wags its tail at the same time. It makes coding easy, even if your project is intricate. With just a click, you can effortlessly convert the command blocks to Python and get yourself ready for text-based coding. Halo Code also integrates various sensors. You can utilize the motion sensor to design a wearable fitness watch for step tracking, or make use of the touch sensors for a desk lamp. It empowers creation to be a way of life while having fun. Halo Code encourages everyone to create fun projects and to experience the wonders of electronic technologies using both hardware and software. Yes,
Guys, in this video, you have seen that what gadgets you can make with Hello Code. I will show you a small gadget, like if I want to know the temperature of this room, what is the temperature of this room? So all I want is one temperature sensor, which can detect temperature. And yes, that is a part of external sensor of Hello Code. So here is I am having one temperature sensor. So you can attach this temperature sensor to Hello Code. And you can see how easily it can get connected. So now I am having a temperature sensor, which can detect temperature, and Hello Code, which can control this temperature sensor. Now to display the value which this temperature sensor is detecting, we just require a screen, and a screen is also a part of a external sensor of Hello Code. So this is the screen. Let us connect this screen also. So here I'm connected the screen, I had connected. So we are having hello code, a screen, and one temperature sensor. Now for powering up these all things, we require a power source, that is a battery. So we are having this power source. This is again the part of external sensor of hello code. So let me give power to everything. And let me keep it here and turn it on. So here you can see right now the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, but let us see whether this is working or not, this temperature sensor. I will just increase the temperature by rubbing it and see whether this is, I think this is, here you can see the temperature changed from 25 to 26 degrees Celsius. That means this temperature sensor is detecting the temperature. So this is a small gadget which I just make here only. So you can make gadgets like this. If you're having a fan like DC motor, then you can attach that DC motor to this, and you can program one conditional statement like if temperature is less than 25 degrees, if temperature is greater than 30 degrees Celsius, then you can turn on that fan. That means you can make a gadget like temperature controlled fan. So this is for hello code. Now what if a child is done with all these products? For those child, we are having one other product, an advanced robotic kit. So this is the advanced version of mbot. The name of this product is mbot ranger, and since this is the advanced version of mbot, that means it is having the advanced powerful board. It is having a large number of sensors attached to this board. It is having different external sensors and powerful motors. And the plus point of this product is like the sensors which you had, the add-on sensor, add-on packs, which you had purchased at the time when your child is of 8 years old and he is learning with mbot, this product. All those add-on packs are compatible with mbot ranger. That means you can add those sensors, external sensors of mbot to mbot ranger. That means to advanced powerful boards, and you can make advanced projects. That means nothing is going waste. It is just one-time investment, and all these add-on packs and sensors keeps growing as per your child grows. It is a 3-in-1 robotic kit. That means with this box only, you can make 3 standard forms of robot. Let me keep it here. Now we are having one other product. This is Ultimate 2.0. So actually it is again advanced robotic kit, and with the help of this box, you can make 10 standard forms of robot. You can make projects like camera dolly poly. That means a robot which can hold your DSLR camera and click photographs for you. You can make a bartender robot, like a robot which is just serving your drinks on your dining table. I just created that only, since I am not having the battery of this robot is discharged. Otherwise, I would have shown you the demo of this also. It is a bartender robot. Actually, it is a complete robotic lab in this box, this Ultimate. So you can make 10 standard forms of robot with Ultimate 2.0, and 10 standard forms we are saying, we are teaching you. But yes, it depends upon your thinking and creativity that what you wants to make. Maybe you come with some other products that yes, I'd make with other form with this Ultimate, with this box. So this is open to you all. Now I am done for today. If you are having any questions and any suggestions, then at this time you are able to unmute yourself, so you can ask those questions. And I would request you all to please give your details in the chat box so that we may get back to you. And yes, if you're having some questions, then please ask. And guys, if you want to know more about our products, then you can join our WhatsApp group, or if you want to see different project videos of all our products, then you can just visit our YouTube channel. There you will be able to see different projects which we had posted on our YouTube channel. So the link to join that WhatsApp group and the link of our YouTube channel, and yes, the link of website, everything will be displayed on your screen. And if you want to click on that link, then you can just visit your chat section, and from there you can click on those links. And yes, if you find this information useful, then you can share this information to your family and friends, so that they may also come to know about this useful information about these products. Guys, if you're having any questions, then you can ask. Fine, I think you guys are not having any questions. Okay, then see you on the next seminar. We will inform you that when we are having. And yes, then bye.